Hello everyone and welcome back to Budi Network Academy. I am Budi and in today's video we will learn about one of the most important devices in a computer network, network switch. If you have ever wondered how computers in an office, school or home communicate with each other, the answer often starts with a switch. By the end of this video, you will understand what a switch is, how it works, and where it's used. Let's get started. Imagine you have several computers in an office. You also have a printer, an IP phone, and a server that everyone needs to access. These devices need a way to communicate with each other. A network switch provides that connection. It acts as a central point that allows devices on the same local area network or LAN to exchange information quickly and efficiently. Without a switch, connecting multiple wired devices together would be much more difficult. So, what exactly is a network switch? A switch is a networking device that connects multiple devices within the same local area network. It receives data from one device and forwards it only to the correct destination device. This makes communication faster, more efficient, and reduces unnecessary traffic on the network. In simple terms, a switch helps devices communicate with each other. A switch can connect many different types of devices. These include computers, printers, IP phones, IP cameras, servers, and wireless access points. Each device is connected to one of the switch's Ethernet ports. The switch allows all of these devices to communicate and share resources within the same network. This is why the switch is often considered the heart of a wired local area network. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine that computer A wants to send a file to computer B. The data is first sent to the switch. The switch checks the destination device and forwards the data only to computer B. It doesn't send the data to every connected devices. This intelligent forwarding makes the network faster, more secure, and more efficient. But how does the switch know where to send the data? It uses something called a MAC address. Every network device has a unique MAC address, just like everyone has a unique fingerprint. The switch automatically learns which MAC address is connected to each port. When data arrives, the switch looks up the destination MAC address and forwards the data to the correct port. This process happens automatically and in just a fraction of a second. Remember, a switch works at layer 2 of the OSI model using MAC addresses. Don't worry if you are not familiar with the OSI model yet, we will cover it in a future episode. There are two main types of switches. The first is an unmanaged switch. It's very simple to use. Just connect the cables and it starts working immediately. It's a good choice for homes and small offices. The second is a managed switch. Managed switches offer advanced features such as VLANs, network monitoring, traffic control, and enhanced security. These features make them ideal for businesses and enterprise networks. Network switches are used in many different environments. At home, they provide additional Ethernet ports for devices such as desktop computers, gaming consoles, or network storage. In offices, switches connect employees' computers, printers, IP phones, and servers so everyone can share resources. In schools, switches connect classrooms, computer labs, and administrative offices. And in data centers, high performance switches connect hundreds or even thousands of servers, allowing massive amounts of data to flow quickly and reliably. No matter the environment, switches play a key role in keeping networks connected. Let's review what we have learned today. A network switch connects multiple devices within the same local area network and forwards data efficiently using MAC addresses. We also learned about the devices connected to a switch, the difference between managed and unmanaged switches, and where switches are commonly used. Understanding how a switch works is an essential step in learning computer networking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope now have a better understanding of what a network switch is and why it's such an important part of modern networks. If you found this video helpful, please support Budi Network Academy by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with others who are learning networking. Question of the day: how have you ever used a network switch? If yes, tell me where, at home, at work, or at school. I would love to read your answers in the comments. In our next episode, we will answer another important question: what is a router? A beginner's guide. Until then, learn, troubleshoot, connect. I am Budi, and I will see you in the next video.